Here's a look at how to use these nail repair pens right here. So you've got two sides to it. Pop off this side and that exposes the brush. And then the other side right here has a twist mechanism. You can hear it clicking. And so what you do is twist that until you start to see some liquid come out of the top right there. So I'll show you that. Just keep twisting it and then you'll see some liquid start to come out. You can see right there. Camera's kind of having a hard time staying focused on the tip there, but the more you twist, the more that comes out. And then you'll use that, see how it's coming out right there, and you'll use that brush to just apply it. And if you hold it sideways and twist, it'll drop off, so it's better to hold it upright so that, there you go, it's pretty much getting the whole brush wet now at this point. So that's how that works. Super easy to use, and got a nice cap that you can throw back on there once you're done using it, so it'll help keep the bristles soft and fresh.